When I started this YouTube channel, I said it to myself that if I'm able to be consistent by uploading 200 videos in educating people about pig farming, I'm going to award myself. And with the award, I'm not going to buy any sugar drink. You get it? But I'm going to do some press up. Yes, I initially said 200 uploads. I'm going to do 200 press ups or push ups. You get it? So this is to celebrate. So this is to celebrate 200 uploads of consistently educating people in pig farming. So let's see how the reward goes. All right. So this is how we started. Yes, initially the plan is to give you 200 after reaching 200 uploads. So let's see how it goes. I need to mobilize some. You ready? All right, let's start. You can also do the counting, okay? If I'm able to get the 200 for you.
Two,
All
one.
right, let's go. Since I've already exceeded my limit, it's not easy. Okay, but usually what happens is before I start working in the pig farm, I wake up very early, 30 minutes earlier, like 5:30, so that I can do some warm up, okay? Yeah, so that I can do some warm up before I start cleaning the pen. So as part of the warm up, I do these push ups, jumping up and down, and then a whole lot of things. Okay. Anyway, let me add you five. I think this 30, right? You got it right, 30. So let me see if I can add you more five. Right. So this is how we go it. No easy. Pig farming to the world. Pig farming to the world. That's it. I'm losing breath. Need enough of oxygen. Anyway, you can comment below how many you can push. I think my maximum is 30 at a go. So let me take some break and then continue. All right. So I'm doing this to stay consistent and motivated myself so that I can do more by uploading more videos, useful ones, of course, to help you save money and then to save cost and avoiding some mistakes that will cost you piglets or pigs on the farm. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, this is one of it. The sweat is real. Okay, so go this way. All right, as part of the celebration. All right, get it? Okay, let's see how many we can add. The different format. Okay, this way. This is the hardest part. I'm big. Get me, somebody get me glucose. I need more glucose in the system. Okay, I'm sweating. Anyway, do you want me to kill myself? No, I can't kill myself. No, I can't kill myself. You continue later. But for this is also to thank all those of you who have stayed with me till now, especially the subscribers. You have done really well for being with me consistently. And as I say, I always do what I love on the farm. And as part of the love, I share the experience. Okay. If you leave me to work on a pig farm, I'll work every day and every hour, non-stop, because I love the pigs. And it is said that once you love your job, it's no more job, it's now a hobby. And I can wake up any day, start to shoot videos, and then or work in the pig farm anytime, any day. I don't expect anything, but mine is for you to learn something out of it. So once you are learning, I love it that way. And it's because of you I'll keep uploading videos. Okay. Yeah, it's because of you I'll keep uploading videos to motivate you as well as encourage you to also keep up farming. In Ghana, we need a lot of pig farmers, especially, so that we will be able to control how we import pork into the system. Okay. So if you are watching this and you are still contemplating whether to start, come join us. We need more pig farmers. Come on, let's go. I think it's ended. I think it's ended. All right. I'm sweating profusely. So after showering, I'm going to celebrate with this. Okay, it's quite unfortunate you can't be part of it, but if you comment, that's your share of it. I love you all, and I'll keep doing more for each and every one of us. Let's keep coming back to learn about pigs. If I do something wrong and you don't like, let me know in the comments. I'm also a student, so that we all keep learning to motivate one another to do more. Okay. So if there's something you don't like on the channel, or I've done something wrong and you don't like it, just pin it or comment below. I'll find out and then correct it. And if to even delete the entire video, I'll delete it. Because it's because of you I'm making the videos. Otherwise, whatever I learn, I could keep it to myself, but I want you to also learn. So if there's something you have learned and then I'm doing it the wrong way, tell me and I'll correct it. So that I don't confuse the masses, okay? We need more people. Thank you for being part of this 200 uploads. Keep on coming back. I love you all. Thank you. I'm even weak, I can't get up. If you want to see the strength, this is it. Okay?